So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your microphone not working on your iPhone. Now first of all, open the settings and go to apps right there on the below of the screen and select the app for which specifically the mic is not working. For example, if I open the battlegrounds, and in case the mic is not working for me for a specific app, make sure to enable for that app in here in the settings. And if it still not works, simply go to screen time option again, and here you see this option of content and privacy restriction. Simply tap over there. Now once you do that, here when you scroll down, you'll see this option of microphone right there, that is set to allow in my case, but in your case it might be set to don't allow. So first of all, set it to hit allow changes. Now definitely this will solve your issue of microphone not working on your iPhone. If it still not works, there might be a hardware issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.